Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to live stream on YouTube or other platforms. So I thought I'd bring this video like for parts because if I make a whole video it will take like more than 30 minutes. So it's good to make a video series of live streaming. So the popular method of live streaming, I don't know whether there are other methods of live streaming. The only app I know is Streamlabs OBS. So I'm going to teach you how to use Streamlabs OBS. So in the first video I'm going to teach you how to set up how to install OBS Streamlabs OBS, and after that how to add your YouTube channel and things like that. Okay, so after that now let's jump into the video. So first of all you need to go to Google Chrome, and after that type for Streamlabs OBS. Okay, so after that you need to download the software. You can see this, download Streamlabs. It's like 240 MB, so so you need to wait for some minutes. Pretty much good internet speed, 5 MB per second. After that click yes, and after that you need to click I agree, and I'm going to change the saving location. You can say wherever you want. No, I think I can't say right over there. I need to make a new folder, so I'm going to save right over there, and after that click install. Okay, so you can see completing Streamlabs OBS setup. So you need to click run Streamlabs OBS. Okay, so now I'm going to open Streamlabs. Okay, so in this window you need to join to a platform. So you can see Facebook, YouTube and Twitch, or else you can select another platform. So you can see TikTok, D Live, I don't know what's that, and also Nemo TV. So you can also skip this part for another time, but the good thing to sign in right now, because like think that if you delete your OBS Streamlabs OBS application after signing to a YouTube channel, so if you again need to down Streamlabs OBS, so when you sign in again you can get the settings which you had previously. So next I'm going to sign in, and after that you can see I don't have the account right now, so I'm going to click use another account, and I'm going to add another account, my YouTube channel account, work with Adi. Okay, so after that you need to you can see choose your Streamlabs plan. So if you need to choose a Prime account, so you like unlimited themes and overlays, go live to one or more platforms. So if you can pay $12 for a month, you can select this. So I can't pay $12 for a month, so I'm going to click choose starter, and after that you can see if you haven't already have an OBS Streamlabs previous version, you can click import from OBS. So I don't have a Streamlabs OBS account, so I'm going to click start fresh. If you're also new, you can start a fresh account. You can see set up a mic and webcam. So this is my webcam mic. Test 1 2 3. Okay, so after that you can even skip those methods. So I'm going to click continue. You can see you can add a theme. So I'm going to choose theme. Also you can skip those. So I think midnight red is good. No, I think this is good. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so after adding the theme, you can see this is the stream that you get in the screen. So after that you can see a red notification. Your YouTube account is not enabled for live streaming. So if you see that, you need to click I am set up. So you can go to YouTube's Creator Studio and fix that. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So I'll make the second video as soon as possible. I will add tomorrow or something else, but I'm going to make the second part tomorrow or as possible. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Okay, so a pro tip, remember that when you enable live streaming in your YouTube channel, it says that ready in 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to activate your account for live streaming. Once activated, you can go live instantly. So a pro tip. Catch you guys in the next video.